Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Superset account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log in at Superset account, then simply open up a web browser to get started. Now, go to the URL box at the top and type in joinsuperset.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official site of Superset, which looks like this, you can click on the login link in order to log into an existing account. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the sign in area. If you have not signed up for Superset yet, you can click on the sign up link at the bottom of the page and follow through the on-screen prompts. Once you have an account, you can simply log in. Choosing one of the options, you can log into your account via Google account, via Facebook, or email and password. But remember to choose the same option that you used while signing up for your account. Since I chose email option while signing up, let me go ahead and type in the email address associated with Superset. After you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password. If you don't remember your password during the process, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After filling in all of the information, click the login button in order to get logged in to your Superset account. Superset is a portal that helps in the recruitment of faculties in different reputed educational institutions. I hope you learned how to log into Superset account online. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.